Hey guys, my name is Shubhranshu Bhaskar and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Vanguard Not Initialized error in Valorant. I'm going to show you 3 methods and that should just work just fine. So now without wasting our time, let's get started. For the first method, you have to go to the search menu and type run. You can also open this page by pressing Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now type services.msc and then click OK. Now find VGC. Double click on it, set up the startup type as automatic, then click apply and then click start. Now for the next method, you have to open run window again by pressing Windows plus R key on your keyboard, type msconfig, press OK. Now select normal startup, then go to services tab, find VGC and make sure you have enabled this button. Right here, click apply, then click OK and then restart your computer. For the last and final method to fix this error, what you have to do is go to the search option, type CMD to open command prompt. Now copy the commands given in the video description, copy them one by one by pressing Ctrl plus C and then pasting it in the command prompt window, Ctrl plus V, hit enter, then copy the second command, paste and hit enter. After doing that, you just have to restart your system and that should fix your Valorant Vanguard Not Initialized error. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment and share it with your friends. Have fun. Bye bye.